The purpose of this module is to introduce the tools necessary for the installation of MPR. The set of tools used for the installation includes two parts: a specific toolbox for MPR and a generic bag for radio installation. First, we begin with the specific toolbox that contains an electrostatic discharge ESD wristband that must be used during this indoor installation, an SFP removing tool, a Heroes tool for RJ45 connector that is used for Cat5e connector assembly, and a dynamometric wrench that is used to control the torque while tightening certain nuts. The generic bag contains some useful tools that are commonly used for radio installation, and an MPT service cord to be used during the alignment.